Hey guys, it's Maddie.
And Haley.
And we're walking and drinking monsters. So guys, sorry we didn't vlog last night because I slept at our house and stuff, and now I'm at my aunt's house. We're going on a walk, but yeah. And also last night I felt something breathing on my neck, like in the dark, in the night. Just breathing on my neck and walking behind me on the couch that I was sleeping on in her room. And I was like, Haley? Because I thought she was trying to scare me, but she was in her bed. And yeah, so we don't know what it was, but it scared me so much. Hope there's no snakes.
I hope there is.
I hope there's not. Oh, it's hard to get down here.
It's slippery.
Yeah, because it's wet. Haley? Haley? I just realized I have to pee, but I'll wait. Yeah. Yeah, compare our Converse. Mine are a lot more black in person, but you can't really tell on here.
I don't know if you can. There's like tons of dirt on mine.
Hi. So you guys know the movie Dark Crystal? You probably don't, but it's like, they're like at a place kind of like this with all the wildlife and the water and trees, except they're like basically high because there's all these weird ass creatures. You should watch the movie. Ow, I almost fell. Haley. Haley, what you... Fuck, I almost fell in a hole. What you... Oh, God! There's a lot of holes. What you doing?
Get comfy.
Guys, I don't know if this is a thing, but I think I've been verbally violated by Haley. She said she wants to feel my belly button from the inside. Yes, I do. There's always cats out here too, so if we see a cat. That's not a bird, that's a plane. Oh, the birds. I thought you meant the plane. The plane, the plane. Hey guys.
I took some swaggin' pictures.
Taking some swaggy selfies and we're posting them on Instagram. So go check us out on Instagram. I'll leave it in the link down below.
Pretty hot.
Yeah, pretty hot. I don't say so myself. Look at all of that. It's weed. Just kidding. It looks nothing like weed. You should really check out our Instagrams later because we just took a bunch of really cute pictures sitting on a branch. And I'm surprised we didn't break it with our fat asses. Hey guys, I just found my new friend. He's pretty hot.
That doesn't look safe here.
I think we're gonna start dating.
It's really ghetto.
What do you think? Could we date? Would we make a cute couple? Look how old this is. It's pretty cool.
Let's go check the other window.
How was she? She never even comes here. Hey guys, we just passed this party. I should have vlogged there, but it's awkward. They always have parties. These people down there, they parties for every single holiday and birthday. Probably we can have one for Columbus Day too.
Yeah.
That's not something to celebrate. He like took people's land and everything else. But anyways, this is the end of our vlog. We'll probably make another one later. Check out our Instagram, please, because we have our pictures on there from this walk we took. Very long walk. Now we're gonna go eat food. Food! Food! Yes! So go follow us on Instagram. Follow me on Vine. And subscribe, become a cool loser. I love you! Food! Food! Food!
Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye!